Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to enable or disable title bar window shake on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, while I have opened all kind of application, while I shake, every application should be minimized. What I have to do here? So I have to shake and everything will be minimized. So on your Windows, just right click on the start menu and you will get an option called settings. Just go to settings. Once you get to settings option, there will be a systems. So once you go to systems option, just scroll down, you will get option called multitasking. Once you go to multitasking option, there will be a title bar window shake. For example, when I grab a Windows title bar and shake it, minimize all other windows. For example, I just enable this option. So while I enable this option, I just shake this title bar, everything will be minimized. It is a beautiful option. For example, I just have this kind of things, I just scrap, automatically it will be move and close over here. I just open all the windows, the current window I just shake means the another windows will be minimized. This is a beautiful option which is given from the Microsoft, so that the settings if you enable means while you enable which windows you want to active, that window will be there, another window will be minimized. For example, I just browse something else, I just have some informations, so I just want to close this one, I just open another one, just shake means that will be minimized. So this is a beautiful option. While you enable this option title bar window shake, when I grab a Windows title bar and shake it, it will minimize all other windows. For example, if you open all other windows means it will easily minimize without any other delay. It's a beautiful option while you're using all kind of details. So you just shake means automatically it will minimize. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my Havix channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.